The average American who pays their balance in full earns $600 to $1,200 per year in credit card rewards for money they were already going to spend. Here's how the system works. Rewards cards only make sense if you pay the full balance every month. 1 month of interest wipes out 3 to 6 months of rewards. If you carry a balance, pay it off first, then start earning rewards. Cashback, simplest 1.5 to 2% on everything, 3 to 5% on categories. Points/miles, more complex but can yield 3 to 10 cents per dollar for travel. Start with cashback, optimize to points later. City Double Cash, 2% on everything, no annual fee. Best baseline. Chase Freedom Flex, 5% rotating categories plus 3% dining/pharmacy. Discover it, 5% rotating plus matches all cashback in year 1. Gas Card for gas, grocery card for groceries, 2% card for everything else. Example, for percent gas plus 4% groceries plus 2% other equals average 3% plus return. On $3,000 per month, spending that's $1,080 per year in cashback. Annual fee cards only worth it if rewards exceed the fee by 2x. Don't chase sign-up bonuses by overspending on things you don't need. Set autopay for the full statement balance, never just the minimum. Free expense tracking Printable to see exactly where your money goes at funbiz.gumroad.com. Link in description. New money tips Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If this helped you at all, please hit the like button right now. It tells YouTube this video is worth showing to more people. And subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss a tip. We post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.